Hey, I have a really cool machine here. Look at it. It can go up and goes down. So how can it do? Well, this machines can go up and down like that because of energy. Energy is all around us. And energy, it can't be destroyed or can't be created. It just can't change from one form to another. So there's five main forms of energies that called melts. Well, melts, it's like a word list in the forms of energy. The N is for mechanical energy, E is electrical energy, L is light energy, T is thermal energy, and S is sound energy. Melts. So that is some kind of energies. So let's get started with mechanical energy. Well, mechanical energies are the energies that we know it have mechanical energy because it moves like this. So mechanical energy is divided into two groups, potential and kinetic. Potential energy is energy in an object that's ready to move. Like if I and my friends go up into a hill and roll down, when I standing at the top, I have potential energy. I'm ready to go down. So that is potential. What about kinetic? Well, kinetic energies is something we move. We have moved. Like I and my friend had moved down the road. So I and my friends have kinetic energies. So that is all about mechanical energy. What about light energy? Well, light energies are the energy that travel in waves. Light energies the source of light energy can be like the flashlights or maybe the sun. The light source, those sources have light energy because we know that because it's very bright. Here, my lamp is very bright because it has light energy. And I know that the lamp has light energy because it's bright. And the light energy in this lamp travel here by waves. So now I will talk about sound energy. Well, sound energies can move by mediums. And there's a different mediums. Like the sound energy can move into solid, liquid, and gases. And we know it has sound energy because it makes noise and make vibration. If something has sound energy, it needs vibration to help it make sounds, like the fan up in my roof. So that is all about sound energy. And then we move to the T, thermal energy. Well, thermal energies is the heat energy. We call it heat energy. Well, fire and the sun are very similar thermal energy source because it makes a lot of heat. And there's a lot of thermal energy here. Very hot. So we know an object has thermal energy by fueling it. we can feel thermal energies because it has heat and it's hot. So then we move to electrical energy, the last one. Well, electrical energies is not they just used a lot. And when we think about electrical energy, we think about thunderstorms and something we have to plug in. Like this computer, it has some wires to help the electric go through the wire and then to this computer so it can work to help me have a presentations. So every time we know electrical energy, we can know it because maybe it has some battery or some wires or a plug attached into it, so we know that have electrical energy and the way that it flows. So now I will talk about transfer of energy. In the beginning of the lessons, I have talked about energy cannot be created or destroyed. It can only change from one to another. So energy can transfer. So what is an example of transfer energy? Well, the transfer of energy have two main parts. Is the source and what is it produced. So here, this machines I have created with my mom. Here, the source is the battery in this control, and the source is electrical energy, and what energy is produced. Well, it produces mechanical energy because this square is moving up and down. So that's an example of electrical energy as a source, and it produces the mechanical energy. What about not the electrical energy being a source? Well, do you know the solar panel? Well, the solar panel works to help create lights. And what is produced? Well, the source is the light energy from the sun, and what it creates? It creates electrical energy for light up our homes. So not electrical energy is only a source. It can be the light. So what about electrical energy as a source? Well, here in a computers, the source is the electrical energies, and what is make? It's make light energy, right? Here, I see the lights in this computer. So that is a transfer of electrical energy as a source and produce light energy. And now it's all about our topic today. Remember, energy cannot be created or destroyed. It can change from one to another forms. Thank you for listening. Goodbye and see you. Have a great day. Bye. See you soon.